Hello everyone, this is RJ here. Welcome to my channel Make Money Online with Affiliate Marketing. So I am so excited to teach you guys today about how to create a content, the Facebook content literally, you know. I'm going to show you guys what type of the content you can try literally like a Monday what to post, Tuesday what to post, Wednesday what to post, Thursday. So per week I'm going to tell you guys this is like a Facebook organic marketing. There is already 4 videos. um, if you guys are thinking about that to start something on the Facebook, visit to my channel RJ Pandey, and then it's just like there is Facebook affiliate marketing. Okay, you can see that, and I'm going to show you guys like how there is a content strategy 101 101, you can see that. So let's go, let's start from the Monday. Today is Wednesday here, but we'll start from the Monday. So Monday start with all the peoples, they are literally, they start going job, and they start doing something. So Monday you can create the story, or you can literally post something here on like a motivational, something motivational, anything is like a motivate people. You need to be the omnipresence, anything motivational you can post it like that. So Monday is the motivational quote. Otherwise you can ask any questions, just type it how day is going, happy Monday guys, what is your plan, anything you can ask them. So this way people, they will engage with you. All right, after that what you have, the quick tips, you can give literally any tips, right? Any tips, whatever is thoughts in your mind. Suppose that the secret book, if you are reading that, whatever you have the tips inside the book, how to drive the traffic, literally put it there in your here, in your content. And then call out post, who all here is affiliate marketing, literally just type it here, who all are here is affiliate marketing, and you can literally, people, they will say, and how is the business going, something like that. You can say call out post. All right, then we will move on the Tuesday. And Tuesday, what are you gonna do? That Tuesday we will do that recommendations, we can literally ask some recommendation is um, anything you can recommend them, who is using ClickFunnels, or who is anything, recommend someone, they are, we are looking for something recommendation, then you can do that. Or something story post, create the story post on the Tuesday. You can literally create the story post or something, you can do that on the Tuesday. And then, or you can do the value post, so he can literally do the value post, and you'll go from there. So yeah, after that is come Wednesday. Wednesday, what you have to do, Wednesday is normally the weeks is starting, Monday is gone, Tuesday gone, and now Wednesday what you have to do, you can literally start your current struggles. You need to show them where you are struggling, just now you started your business, you don't have anything to say, and then you can show the current what you are struggling, you can literally say, hey, I just started affiliate marketing, and I don't know these things, the how to set up click funnels to click funnels to get response. I don't know how to integrate, it's very hard to struggle, how to find this the customer. You can literally put what's your, whatever is there in your mind, and after that what you can do, life lesson, what did you learn, in your life, what did you learn when you started affiliate marketing, or any business you started with that, what did you learn in your life lesson, your struggle. You can post it the struggle or life lesson, or wins or loss, sometimes you get the good commissions, and just you post it here, hey guys, I got the good commission, my story, you can see that, like a I try to help people, so people, they are thank you so much, and they really appreciate me, and that's I post it, and like something the ones haters are hating and motivators are the people they were protecting you. And somebody is saying, I saw your videos, Sukhveer, I saw your videos TikTok and got inspired, so this all the inspiring things I'm posting here. And one of my student Yamini, she is crossing $8,000 with one company, and Danny also one of my friend. So I try to create some stories so people they can relate with me, they will see something like a wins and loss or success story. You can post it, anything success story you can post it there also. So this is the cool stuff. And after that is come to the Thursday. What you gonna do Thursday? We will do like a Thursday, we can literally see that like a throwback, like this is my throwback, when I was in India and the Taj Mahal. You can see that this is my throwback. Or like I started like a 6 month ago. I struggle a lot with the affiliate marketing, and you can literally throw back your stories and like a borrow the authority. You can borrow with the um, Gary Vee or Peng Joon, you can uh, just learn from something, whatever they are telling you, and then you just implement it here, create your own something here, and borrow the that is called borrow the authority. And freebie and products offer, you can give literally like a freebie stuff. Freebie, you can say that like a who want my the funnels is like a make like a $10,000 in a month, or like a $5,000 in a month, or who need my that PDF, so you can do that one also is like a freebie. You can give them some PDF kind of thing, or like a product offer. Suppose that you are promoting something, and you are promoting something, any things, and you said, hey guys, yeah, who need my free one-on-one call, or like who need the software, like a 3 month software free or something like that. You just give them offer, so people they will come, they will buy from you, and you give them offer if you have something to offer. That was the Thursday. The Friday, what you have to do, the Friday is testimonial. Testimonial is like this is like a testimonial. You can say that like a people they are saying thank you for helping them, and you can post it literally. You are just people they are thank you. They are so grateful. All right. So that's a good thing about that. And then after that win post, you can put your commission, or like a win post is not like only you put commissions like what you make money. Post is like okay, you were struggling to find the dream customer, and today you start finding the leads, that's your win. And you did a lot of things you are trying for 1 month, and today finally you got it. That's your also like a win can be anything, so that was the from the Friday. On the Saturday you can post the lifestyle. Lifestyle is like a family. You can post the family pictures, with your wife or daughter or something like that. So once you click it here on my plate, this picture, you will see that my daughter pictures or wife pictures. So this is all the strategy, content strategy. You have to follow it, if you are driving traffic from the Facebook. And you can see that the win post we done. And Saturday lifestyle, you can see the family you are enjoying with there. You are going for the restaurant lifestyle. You can a life lesson also. You can on the Saturday, you can literally life lesson also, like what did you learn from your life. Because the Saturday is ending, all the people, the Friday was like a last day, like a people, their week is a weekend starting, and then you see that like all Monday to Friday you did all good things, and the Saturday you are chilling, enjoying with the family, and the people they will see you. And then you can literally you can life lesson, what did you learn from in this week, what is your take out my like a take home, and then you can see that. And then after that is comes Sunday. Saturday is life lesson. After that is comes Sunday. What you gonna do, you are going to do that again, motivations, like a motivation stuff, anything like anything like a you can see like to be successful you have to have your heart in your business, and your business is in your heart. Okay, so you can literally motivations, you can put it there. So people, they will, I mean, literally what you have to do every day, you have to post something, so people, they will relate with you, they will connect with you, and you will be the omnipresent, they will know you. So this affiliate marketing business, this affiliate marketing business, we always depends upon like a relationship. We always talk with people, we give them value. That's how this affiliate marketing business work. We talk to them, we help them, we reach out them, we send them friend requests, we comment them. So I already make a lot of videos about that on the Facebook, like not a lot, at the four videos I make it already, and this one it will be the fifth one. So I'm keep making videos, guys, about the Facebook organic marketing, because there's a lot of country TikToks are not there, so might be this Facebook things is going to this Facebook things is going to work
If
out
you're
someday,
promoting ClickBank products right.
So I have already four videos here, and then very soon I'm gonna put one more, so it will be five, and then later on we will go from there. So I hope it's gonna help, guys. If you guys thinking about the Facebook organic marketing, you can watch my videos, and believe me, I spend a lot of money for this coaching and consulting. I learned from there, and I'm just literally teaching you guys free. Okay, so please, I know that free things never get value, but I will suggest you, please go for that. Watch it. If it makes sense, just comment down below, subscribe my channel, hit the smash like button, so this way, like, I can make more videos, and I can help you guys. And you can reach me out on the Facebook. This is my Facebook profile, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere you can reach me out, and we'll go from there. So alright, guys, again, thank you so much for watching these videos. I will see you the next one. Bye for now.